Welcome to my coding vlog. Here is today's agenda: adding more logs to my clipping pipeline and testing firebase analytics integration on my app. Let's get started. The entry file is main.py, and looking into the SQS worker.py file, the receive and process messages function runs the loop from the worker object. In this class, I have a while true loop that checks for messages in my SQS queue. When we get a message from the queue, we delete it, then process the message. The class has a variable that stores the clipping service object. We then pass the message to a function of that object called process message. Now, looking at the clipping service.py file, the process message function stores data from the payload in variables video s3 key, segments, job ID, user ID, ratio, and background style. For each item and segment, we call an internal function called process single segment. Process single segment slices the video given the start time, end time, and video part. So I'm going to add a log here. If the job is 9:16 ratio, the function will then create a TikTok video from the segment data. I'm going to add another log there. There are other parts of this pipeline, like uploading clips to AWS S3 and updating the progress through DynamoDB, but I don't think I'll add logs to those. I bought some cake, so I'm going to be having that before I go on to my next task. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, it will mean a lot to me. The next item on today's agenda is testing Firebase Analytics. Let me open Firebase Analytics and the app at the same time. It seems like the analytics is already working as I'm seeing something on real-time analytics. So let's look at the events. Okay, the events are very minimal, so I'm going to ask an agent to write detailed events for our app. But before I do so, I need to know the cost implications for this. Okay, it seems Google Analytics is free, at least. So I would tell the agent to generate some code to add some events. Then I'm going to review that code. Okay, so the code generated by the agent looks proper and I can confirm that it works. So now this is the end of today's vlog. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe. Thank you.